Is your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote not working? Don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases it can be fixed in just a few minutes. Here's a clear 1-minute walkthrough to get your remote working again. Start by power cycling the fan. Turn the fan off at the circuit breaker for exactly 30 seconds, then restore power. Once power is back on, you have about 30 seconds to reprogram the remote. Next, open the fan canopy and locate the Learn button on the receiver module. Press and hold the Learn button while simultaneously pressing and holding a fan speed button on the remote until the fan responds. After pairing, test all functions, including fan speeds, lights, and reverse mode. If the remote still doesn't work, check the dip switches inside both the remote and receiver. These small switches must be set in identical positions on both devices. A common setup is all switches up or all down. After matching them, repeat the pairing process. If reprogramming fails, the receiver module may be faulty and need replacement. Replacement receivers typically cost $25, $50, but note that older Harbor Breeze fans pre-2018 may not be compatible with newer universal receivers. In that case, upgrading to a smart fan or app-based control system may be the best long-term solution.